Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and today it is Friday, TGIF. I am doing a speed clean around my house so I can start the weekend off nice, clean, and refreshed and hopefully save the rest of the weekend for family time and getting my hair done and just running errands. I don't want to spend the whole weekend cleaning, but I do have a few videos to film, so stay tuned for those as well. I'll probably be doing some cleaning this weekend, it sounds like. Just wanted to get a nice head start. I like to start with putting the laundry in, that way I can just switch it as the day goes by and try and get as much put away as I can on my breaks. And I'm going to quickly mop my living room. I like my steam mop because it disinfects without using harsh chemicals. It's really great if you have little ones and animals around the house as well. So I just hit the living room really good, and then we'll head into the kitchen. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you join my family. Leave a comment down below saying hi, and if you have your own channel, I would love to check it out. If you are also a mom, let us know. I want this to be a big support system for us moms out there. We have a lot that we are in charge of and a lot that we take care of, and it's really important to have a nice, positive support system. So I am quickly showing you right here these really awesome waterproof phone cases for our trip next month. I am so excited to use those because you can take video and pictures underwater. And that is a HelloFresh card. They keep trying to get me back. I canceled my subscription because I kept forgetting to skip weeks that I didn't want to pay for it, and so I finally canceled it, and they keep sending me coupons, so I'm probably going to order another meal and film it for you guys. So I'm going to take this evergreen spray that I got at Target and just wipe down all of the counters, and then I will be able to empty the dishwasher, and then later Tyson will actually do the dishes and load the dishwasher. He tries to help me out as much as possible when it comes to taking care of the house, and I am so appreciative of him. I am so grateful. I don't know how you single mamas do it out there. Like, so many props to you. You are a wizard and amazing, and you should definitely take some time for yourself because you are doing it all and it is amazing. So don't sell yourself short. We are all amazing moms out here. We are all busy, but just know I don't know how you guys do it.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
It seems like no matter how long I am wiping the counter in this area by the coffee maker or by the toaster, it doesn't matter. I still have coffee grounds and crumbs somehow. I could sit there and clean it all day and there would still be crumbs. So whatever, at least it's granite and it blends in. You can't really see it. I wipe my counters all day long, so I know they are clean at least for the most part.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Sorry the lighting is pretty terrible for this clip because I should have closed the door behind me or opened it. I don't know. I should have done something else with the lighting. Do apologize. It's a different time of the day. This is the afternoon now, and you know, the sun just moves around and I don't have studio lights yet, so this is what I have to work with. I apologize. I hope you can stick it out, but yeah, I'm loving that orchid too that I have on my counter there. Tyson got it for me for Mother's Day, and the roots are like growing out of the pot and I need to repot it so bad, but I'm so afraid of killing it. I feel like it's just gonna die no matter what I do. So I don't know, maybe I'll do it in a video where I switch it out and show you guys how it goes. I'll keep you posted.
Dream about it. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off.
Alright, and now I'm going to just hang up my clothes or put them on hangers and fold my clothes that go in my dresser while I'm working. Just trying to multitask as much as I can. I literally am multitasking all day. I'm filming videos while I'm working, I'm editing them, I'm researching for keywords and everything, and learning how to grow on YouTube and all of that good stuff while working. And my work probably wouldn't appreciate that very much, but hey, I'm getting it all done somehow. So I'm hoping you guys are liking these videos so far. If you have any suggestions on editing style, video style, anything like that, I'm all ears. I really am looking to improve video by video. As soon as we come back from our trip, I am buying a new computer. That way my editing will hopefully be much better and a more seamless workflow, because right now, you guys, it is a hot mess over here. But I do have so much fun editing, and I don't know, it just is such a great creative outlet. It's just what I need. As a mom, you can feel like, you know, you don't have anything for you. You're just taking care of everyone else. And YouTube has really become that outlet for me that I can really just dive deep into. I can film and upload as much as I want to or as little as I want to. I can do it for fun, and eventually I'm hoping that it will, you know, bring passive income or just help support my family in some way. But as of right now, it is a blast, and you do have to really like be tough and have tough skin. I wear my heart on my sleeve, so that is something that I'm working on. But all in all, this is really great for my personal growth and just for my life in general. So, and if I can even just motivate one person, that's worth it to me. So I do love your comments. If my videos move you in any kind of way, whether they give you a laugh or they give you motivation, anything, you relate to it, I love to hear that. It really just pushes me going, and I'm really here to help people. I've always wanted to help people. So don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Bye guys.